Positron is being pitched as the next generation data science IDE, and it was developed by Posit, which also developed RStudio. When you use it, you'll find it very, very similar to the Visual Studio Code. So the next question which comes to mind is it going to replace RStudio? For the time being, it's not. They're saying that they will have both products available. So Positron was available as a beta for testing, but now a full product is available. You can go and download it. Just go to the URL, and there's a download button at the top. So let me quickly go through the motions of installing it. So I'm picking up the correct version for my machine, downloading it, saving it on my desktop as a file, and then finally running it. So those of you who are using it for the first time, make sure you also have the R software installed. And if you're using Python, you should have Python installed already. Okay, so I've done the installation. Let's start using it. So if I run it for the first time, this is what I saw. New notebook, new file, new console, new project. So if you compare it with Visual Studio Code, you would find it almost similar. So the only setting which I want to touch is the look and feel. So I'll go to the preferences, settings, and let's see what we can change to get the right look and feel. So I'm going to the appearance. There's so many things which you can change, and currently all I'm touching is the color theme, which is under appearance. So I just want to have a light color. So we have successfully changed the look and feel or the theme. So let's start creating an R script. And like I said earlier, that I've already installed R on this machine. That's why you can see R file is available there. And then also you can see the version being shown there. And you would also see R in this corner as well as the language. So let's create a script. I'm just going to run a small ggplot script, run it in the console, and you will see that the objects are being created, and then you can also see the plot. And now let's see how would you view the data frames. In RStudio, one of the most convenient thing is that you can see the data frames right there. So you can do the same thing here. Now let's create a notebook. So I'm saying new notebook, R notebook, and then we can either create a code section or a markdown section. So this is a simple script, and you can run it one section at a time, and you will see that the results are being shown there as well. And now let's create an R markdown. So markdown would be where I'm producing a Word document or a PDF document. So in this case, this is a Word RMD, R markdown, and I'm going to create a simple Word document by running this R markdown. So if I run it, I'll end up with having a Word document. And we have plenty of videos which tells you how to create these different markdowns. So far, so good. We have seen how to create an R script, R notebook, and an R markdown. So the next thing would be to see how we can use it for Python as well. So I'm going to create a simple Python script, and you would see that I'm running a simple turtle graphics script, which is going to create an animated bee in this case. So that's how you can run a Python script as well. So I've installed Quarto on my machine, and I'm going to show you how you can run Quarto markdown as well. So in this case, I'm using Python, but you can obviously use R. I hope you found this information useful and practical. Thank you very much for watching it, and I'll see you in the next one.